In front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to begin by launching your keyboard and then holding microphone icon at the bottom right corner of it. If you never used it before, hit while using the app. Over here, allow only while in use or allow this time only. Then you need to hold the same microphone again and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on this button at the bottom. If you want to go back to your standard keyboard, hit this X at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!